Hi guys, and welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng tortang repolyo at Korean Gilgeori Cabbage toast. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, balatan lang natin itong isang carrots at i-slice natin thinly. Then, i-slice natin itong carrots into strips. Kailangan manipis lang ang ating paghiwa. Then, we will set this aside after natin mahiwa. Next, itong half piece ng ating bell pepper, tanggalin lang natin yung mga buto. And again, i-slice lang natin ito ng manipis. Again, we will set this aside. Next, itong ating 1 piece ng onion, i-slice din natin to thinly. After natin mahiwa, we will set this aside. Next, i-chop natin tong 2 stalks ng spring onions. And again, we will set this aside. And next, itong ating cabbage, i-slice din natin to thinly. Then, tatanggalin lang natin itong matigas. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa na natin itong 1 piece ng onion hanggang sa lumambot. Ready na yung ating onion. Pwede na natin i-add itong sliced carrots. Then, i-add na rin natin itong sliced cabbage. Add ko na rin itong sliced bell pepper. And i-add ko na rin itong chopped spring onion. Then, i-season lang natin to ng salt to taste and pepper to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. And mix it well. Continue natin ang paggisa for about 5 minutes. Huwag natin i-overcook yung vegetables. And then, after 5 minutes, ready na yung ating vegetable. Transfer natin to and let it cool down completely. Next, meron akong 5 eggs dito. Isi-season din natin to ng salt to taste and pepper to taste. And then, ibibit lang natin itong itlog. Yan, ready na yung ating egg. Pwede na natin ilagay yung naluto nating vegetables. Mix it well and we will set this aside. Ating next step, magpe-preheat ulit tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan for deep frying. Mag-scoop lang tayo ng desired amount ng ating omelette at i-fry natin to until golden brown. Ayan, after a few minutes, pwede na natin baliktarin. And then, continue lang natin ang pagprito hanggang maluto yung kabilang side. After a few minutes, ready na yung ating omelette. Transfer lang natin to sa isang plate lined with paper towel para ma-absorb yung excess oil. Continue lang natin ang pagprito hanggang matapos natin lahat. Para naman sa ating Korean Gilgeori Cabbage toast, mag-melt lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon butter. And then, ilalagay natin itong 2 pieces ng sliced bread. Then, mag-sprinkle lang tayo ng konting sugar on top. Continue lang natin ang pag-toast ng bread hanggang maging golden brown. And after a few minutes, brown na yung ilalim, balik na rin naman natin. And again, mag-sprinkle lang tayo ng sugar on top. Then, ilagay lang natin itong 1 piece ng ating omelette. And then, place a few slices of ham. Depende kung gaano karami ang gusto nyong ilagay na ham. And then, itong cheese slices, naglagay ako ng 2 pieces. And then, pwede natin lagyan ng ketchup or mayonnaise. Then, takpan na natin. At continue pa natin ang pag-toast for a few minutes. Ready na yung ating toast. Transfer na natin to sa isang plate ready for serving. Itong ating omelette, pwede rin natin itong pang-ulam, serve with rice. Naglagyan lang natin ng ketchup before serving. And there you have it, our Tortang Repolyo at Korean Gilgeori toast. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram.